1. Electron is a well-known desktop application framework that is based on Node.js and Chromium that is widely used by industry giants such as Slack, Visual Studio Code, and Discord. Electron makes cross-platform desktop app development possible using web technologies like HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript 2. JavaFx is a cross-platform desktop application framework developed by Oracle. It is a Java-based framework that enables developers to create custom desktop applications with rich graphical user interfaces. 3. Tauri is a cross-platform mobile application development framework developed by that company. It is a ++-based framework that enables developers to create applications that can run on various operating systems. 4. Tauri is an open-source desktop application framework. It enables developers to build cross-platform desktop apps using web technologies like HTML, CSS and JavaScript for desktop apps. 5. Neutralinojs is an open-source framework that is lightweight and portable for cross-platform desktop application development using web technologies like HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. 6. Flutter on desktop. Flutter, created by Google, is an immensely popular mobile application development framework, enabling developers to quickly build high-performing mobile applications using Dart programming language. Flutter also supports desktop application development through its Flutter on Desktop feature. 7. Xamarin Forms is a cross-platform application development framework developed by Microsoft. It enables desktop developer applications that can run on different platforms with a single code base. 8. Neutralinojs is an open-source framework that allows developers to build desktop apps using web technologies including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It has several capabilities that make it simple to build and deploy desktop apps, and it works with many different platforms. 9. 8.Dev is a modern programming language that is designed to be simple, efficient, and powerful. It can be used to create desktop applications and provides a number of built-in libraries and modules. 10. Soyo, Java, and Python are just a few of the programming languages that may be used to create desktop apps using the Soyo development platform. It has several built-in tools and components that may be used to rapidly and simply build high-quality applications. 11. JavaFx is a cross-platform language that can be used to develop desktop applications, web applications, and even mobile apps. JavaFx includes its own set of libraries and tools for building applications, making it a powerful and flexible option. 12. Enact is a JavaScript framework that is designed specifically for building smart applications. Enact provides a number of different tools and libraries for building applications that can run on a variety of different platforms.